Hey you guys, in this digest, battery day delay, graduation in space and Facebook performance review from Elon Musk. About Tesla. Tesla started production in Fremont back up. Due to fewer employees and supply problems, the company is only producing a few hundred cars a day. People can get their Model 3s in 5 to 7 weeks after they make an order, and Model Ys in 8 to 12 weeks. By the way, Model 3 will feature USB Type-C connectors and a wireless phone charger, just like Model Y. Not all employees got back to work right after production started because Alameda officials only allowed to do it after May 18th. Tesla sent a letter to staff saying they don't have to get back to work before May 18th and can stay on furlough, but noted they might lose their unemployment benefits. Still, Tesla shares grew following the official permission to reopen. While Fremont factory is picking up the pace, Gigafactory Cybertruck has finally found its construction site. According to Electric, Tesla's chosen Austin, Texas. Elon Musk is very optimistic and serious about this. He wants first Model Ys to come off the assembly line in Texas by the end of this year. Tesla will only build the general assembly line first and the rest later. Elon Musk says Battery Day will be delayed again, otherwise attendance will be very low. It might even be split into parts, webcast next month, and in-person event a few months later. Meanwhile, Reuters says Tesla will introduce new batteries in China later this year or early next. According to them, batteries were co-developed with cattle and will be recycled and used in grid storage systems like the one Tesla built in Australia. Tesla may enable vehicle-to-grid technology so the company's fleet could connect to and share power with the grid. That will make Tesla compete with traditional energy providers like Pacific Gas and Electric and Tokyo Electric Power. We don't know if this source is reliable, so we'll wait and see what happens. As it turned out, all this didn't influence Tesla and Panasonic relationship. Panasonic CFO Hirokazu Umeda announced that Gigafactory Nevada battery demand is very strong and goes beyond production volume. Besides, their battery production at Tesla Gigafactory Nevada is finally profitable. Umeda says both companies will be working together to improve chemistry and technology throughout this year and discuss expansion of the plant's capacity. Elon Musk shared the Supercharger usage statistics during the pandemic. China got back to normal quite fast while Europe and the US are slowly coming back due to uneven lifting of restrictions. About Boring Company. Boring Company has finished its second tunnel in Las Vegas. Looks like no pandemic can stop the company from finishing the construction of the transportation system before January 2021. About SpaceX. SpaceX launched two great projects. One of them is Class of 2020, where you can upload a picture of yourself if you graduated this year. The picture will be added to the mosaic of Earth that will be flown aboard SpaceX Crew Dragon during its upcoming mission. If years of studying are behind, you can participate in another project. SpaceX now has a docking simulator for Dragon. Anyone can pretend to be Bob Behnken or Doug Hurley and try to dock the ship with the ISS. We'll leave the link in the description for everyone who's interested. The real Bob and Doug will arrive to the launch pad on a special Tesla Model X. Jim Bridenstine, director of NASA, shared the pics and the car looks pretty cool. The spaceship has arrived at the launch pad and the crews to follow. What about satellites? Starlink mission was delayed until after the Crew Dragon launch due to the tropical storm called Arthur. Hopefully, Arthur will chill and live till May 27th. We don't want them to postpone the Crew Dragon mission. This summer, 6 SkySat satellites will be launched together with Starlink. The company is planning to send them to the sun-synchronous orbit, where Earth's surface is always illuminated by the sun at the same angle the satellite is taking a picture. 15 SkySat satellites are already in operation. This mission is a part of SpaceX SmallSat rideshare program. As for Starship, one more static fire test was planned on Tuesday, while SN5 and SN6 are waiting for the final assembly. SN4 is so far the toughest prototype of all, and it's waiting for a 150-meter hop. About Elon Musk. It's Twitter again. Jerome Pesenti, vice president of AI at Facebook, tweeted that Elon Musk has no idea what he's talking about when it comes to AI, since they're not even close to human level of intelligence. Elon's reply was short: Facebook sucks. Joanne Rowling tweeted that she doesn't get what Bitcoin is. Blah 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 computers, blah 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 understand the risks, said the writer. Elon left a comment about Bitcoin looking more solid compared to massive currency issuance. He also said he only owns a quarter of a Bitcoin. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week.